What's going on, Frugal Frag fan, man? It is BJ here. I hope this video finds you well, man. We have got a good one for you on the slate today. But first, if you're new here, please consider clicking that like, slamming that subscribe, baby, because it'll make sure that you never go high and dry, that you always moisturize $50 or less. That is the mission of our channel here. And I'm going to tell you what, we have got a good one that we bought from Aroma Concepts, man. And this one is Pendora scents. Harrier. And let me tell you, this is a great summer scent, man. This one is gonna knock your socks off. I am telling you, it is just a sweet scent, and it has got that ocean vibe to it because it's got some ocean notes. It's gonna make you feel really good, really fresh. Hey, why do I want to tell you about it? Let's break down the notes. You know how we do it here. Let's go. Boom! Harrier Pandora is like a fresh ocean breeze bottled up for the modern man. Imagine an airy, slightly bitter vibe that's casual, delectable, and totally inviting. This men's spray kicks off with a crisp burst of grapefruit and mandarin orange, blending sweet and citrusy goodness perfectly. Added some aquatic sea notes for that salty marine freshness and just a hint of bay leaf to spice it up. It's fresh and effortlessly cool. Plus, the sleek bottle design makes it a perfect gift for someone special or just to treat yourself. Harrier by Pendora Scents, where the ocean meets sophistication. Whoa, man. Oh man, Harrier by Pendora Scents, man. I've been just waiting to show. Look, I've been wearing this scent for a little while now, and man, it's just got me just rocking and rolling over here, guys. This is the type of scent that I really dig right here, and there's probably a lot of niche fragrances that probably smell similar to this. I couldn't even tell you what they are, but they gotta be, because man, this thing just smells, look, it smells kick-ass. Look, Harrier, look at the bottle. It's got a cool top. It's got a cool bottom. It's indented. Let's see if the top holds, I don't know. Oh, no, it don't hold, man. So don't trust it. Plastic top. Let's check out the Addy in this bad boy, man. It's nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something about this scent, Harrier. You can put a lot on. So without any further ado, guys, you know how we do it here. We never ever use test strips, guys. This is the real McCoy. So let's rip it on it. And I'm gonna tell you what, you can put this on, because this is not a strong scent at all, guys. And it don't have, I mean, this is one of the ones that, man, I mean, you can really lay it on. And it doesn't last. For me, it's like a 2-hour scent. I mean, I don't know why it doesn't, but man, it smells awesome. The opening of grapefruit and bergamot, along with those aquatic notes that are in there. They just rock your world, man. And the geranium and jasmine that's coming in, it's really, really a sweet, awesome scent that, you know, it's the type of scent that I like. It reminds me of the Tommy Bahama line. You know, it's a Tommy Bahama line, man. It's got that vibe, man. It's got that beachy vibe, because I guess it's got that sea notes in it. That's what causes it to get that sea vibe. But man, it is freaking hot, man. It is. I can see this one right here being used a lot by me. I mean, look, I've already used a little bit of it, testing it out today and really using it. And I'm gonna tell you that it's pretty cool. This scent right here is a sub $30 scent, I believe. That's probably around the $25 range. So I mean, we're talking about half $50, and this one rocks. If you like sweet, sensual scents that are the ocean vibe, like the Tommy Bahama type of stuff, man, you're gonna like this. You are gonna like this for sure. All right, guys. Well, they say it breaks down into like a patchouli, amber, a laurel, and we'll see. Give it about 10 or 15 minutes. We'll be back. Go get yourself something to drink. Boom. All right, we are back, Frugal Frag fan, man, and we have got Pendora scent Harrier on the cut block today. And let me tell you what, this bad boy is just rocking the world over here. It is just so awesome. It really has a good scent. They say it breaks down in a patchouli and an amber and a laurel. I'm not sure what laurel smells like, but patchouli, man, I'm a patchouli fan. But the patchouli's not real prominent. I think it's more amberish. But you know, you can still smell the citrus of the grapefruit and the bergamot. Because I mean, to me, the opening is the star of the show with this particular scent right here. I mean, it does break down into something that's really nice, but the opening will just, I mean, if you're putting this on before you go to work, it's gonna invigorate you. It's gonna make you want to jump in your car, in your bad motor scooter, and get you to work. It smells good, man. You know, and this is a scent that you could really, you know, in my opinion, this is a good car scent, man, that you can put in your car, and if you're not, you know, got anything on and you want to slam it on before you go into someplace, this is a good one, man, because it's not overbearing, man. I mean, it's not. You saw how much I put on, and I don't feel like it's overbearing. Nowhere close to anything like some of the lattafas or some of the afnans, or you know, some of these other scents that we try, you know, that are just so much stronger. This one is a little bit more laid back, man. Well, that's a chill pill in a bottle, man. We're gonna call this one another chill pill in a bottle. I mean, to me, that's what it is. I'm chilling right now anyways, guys, man, because this is making me feel good. I love when I feel good when I wear these scents, and they make me feel good. And you know, I put them on after I'm clean, and I really get a really good sense of what they smell like, and I'm able to describe it to you, and I'm able to enjoy it, man, because I mean, in my opinion, if you're not putting scents on directly after showers, you're not really gonna get the benefit, the total benefit of the scent, of the fragrance, because when your body's clean, it accepts the oil and the alcohol from the scents, and it sticks with you, and it, you know, it helps when you perspire. As long as you use unscented soap, because if you use scented soap, then you put the scent on top, that doesn't do any good, right? You're just stacking. So I've always used unscented soap because, hey man, I'm a fragrance guy. So I don't like stacking my soap with my scents. I'll stack my scents though, for sure. Alright guys, this is broke down into, now it's smelling a little bit more patchouli, a little bit more amber. But it's no doubt a great summer scent, a great evening scent. That's, you know, beaches evening. You know, if you're hanging out in Orlando, you're hanging out in Orlando, and it's summertime, you want to get your beach on, man. This is some shit right here, man. This one will do it for you. Oh yeah, you know, it's a big bottle too, man. It's a big bottle, big heavy duty. I can't even get my hands around the thing. You know, 3.4 ounce. Nice guys. Pendora scents. I picked it up at Aroma Concepts Go check them out, guys. They really are something else. They really do have great customer service. And not only that, they get something shipped to you pretty darn quick. So, hey, guys, I hope you enjoyed this sensational video. And until next time, please make sure that you click that like, hit that subscribe. And because you smell so damn good, baby, make sure you hug somebody you love. Peace.